how to cancel your order on Panda Express. If you are using your Panda Express application, on the application you'll be able to see your cart option at the menu. And by simply tapping on that cart, you'll be able to see your ongoing orders. And by simply tapping on that orders over there, you'll be able to cancel them as well. However, on the website, you want to go to your Chrome browser first, open the official Panda Express website, and here you'll see your orders over here that you can select. And by selecting these orders, you'll be able to pick up your order, or you can send it for delivery. And after you have done so, you'll be able to see your order at the cart section. And on the cart section, you can simply tap on your order, and you'll also be able to see the cancel option there. By simply tapping on that cancel option, you'll be able to cancel your order on Panda Express. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.